Hi, AT from CNC at Home. Recently, the cooling fan on the LE5040 has been making a lot of extra noise. I contacted SaneSmart about this, and they shipped out a replacement fan. Bam. So what we need to do is take the old fan off and get that replaced with the new one. So I'll take the controller board off. First I'll unplug everything, take the controller board off, pull the old fan off of here, put the new fan on, get everything mounted back in, and hopefully we'll be good. The only tools I'm going to need is this Allen wrench and these little pair of pliers. Let's get started. So, what has to come off is this fan. So the orientation will be just like this. We'll replace the fan and we'll get it plugged in there. This fan is held tight with some springs, some spacers, and then these little kind of one-way clips. So hopefully I'll be able to just pinch those in a little bit with the pliers and pull those out. The lesson here is to hang on to these things as you're taking them off. I found this one over 12 feet away from where I'm working, so it really sailed. So our new fan is going to mount up here. This is the orientation of the old fan, was like this, and then it plugs in here. This should now snap easily onto the controller board. Just get it positioned correctly and pop it on. Simple as that. And we plug it in the correct way. And now this fan is set to go. So we'll just mount that back up on the board and get these other cables connected back in. And we're all reassembled with the new fan. I'll get this up closer, we'll turn it on, see what it sounds like. Okay, I can barely hear it and I'm in the room. So this is a huge improvement over what it had been. So that was a success. Thank you SaneSmart for shipping the new fan.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.